Welcome to 37 Karen Ave in Waterbury, Connecticut. I know what you're thinking. Karen, I don't want to live with a Karen, but this is not that Karen. This is the Karen that feeds you, makes you comfortable, makes you just love life. When you come in here, you're gonna see unbelievable potential. It's a 3-bedroom home. It's got options galore and you get to make it your own. Let's go check it out. So I want to show you this. We got this old carpet in here, but we have beautiful old hardwood floors underneath in phenomenal condition. And this is also in the living room. You cannot beat having this as an option for you.